Hi! Welcome to the registry. This video will show you how to apply for a stipend in 3 steps on the California ECE Workforce Registry. Every county has different eligibility criteria for their stipend programs. We want to make sure that you know where to find information about your stipend and how to contact your county stipend administrator in case you have questions. Before you apply for a stipend, you will want to update your profile. It is very important that you provide accurate information as this is used by the stipend administrator to process your application. To update your profile, log into the registry at caregistry.org. Type your email address and password, then click Login or create a profile if you don't have one. To review and update your information, click on My Tools and Settings, then My Profile. Review all your personal and current employment information. To update your profile, click Edit. Check that your email is up to date, as well as your residential and mailing address and the information about your current employer. Stipend programs restrict participation based on residential and/or work county, and stipend programs require employment verification. Accurate information supports completing the stipend application and ensuring that, if approved, your stipend payment will be sent to your current mailing address. Remember to click Update Account Info to save your updates. For a video on how to update your employment information, click to watch now or check out the link on the video description. Now that you have reviewed and updated your profile, you're ready to access the stipend program. Go to Stipend and Pathways and click on Application. You can review your profile information again and click on Confirm and Continue. On the Request Stipend page, click on your county's stipend program. This is your stipend application page. Take your time and read the stipend program description to make sure you have selected the correct stipend program and are eligible to submit the online application. You will find your county stipend administrator's contact information on this page. Once you have read the information, click on Continue to Online Application. To complete your online application, tell us what your career and educational goals are and select the stipend period for which you are applying. Next, select the pathway type and the required information under each box. Check your program stipend criteria for details about how to complete your application's the pathway type. For example, a stipend program may want you to complete the professional development pathway by submitting more than one stipend request for each professional development organization you will or have attended. Or you may be asked to only submit one stipend request by entering various training organizations under the pathway information. It is of importance that you understand the instructions provided to you by your stipend program on how to complete the online stipend application. The Statement of Understanding will inform you of the stipend program's terms and conditions. Read it carefully. If you agree, click on Submit Stipend Application to continue. If you don't agree to the Statements of Understanding or do not, at this time, want to submit your application, click on Cancel. Once you submit your stipend application, it will be available for review to the stipend program administrators. You will receive an email confirmation that your application was successfully submitted. This email provides additional information, including contact information for the stipend administrator. If you see a pop-up box requesting information about your employer, please enter the first and last name of your site supervisor or program director and their email address. This information is used to support employment verification via employer administrative access. Once you submit the stipend application, you have 2 more steps. You have now completed the first step. It is important to complete Step 2 and Step 3 so that you do not have an incomplete application. Step 2 provides a link for you to download, save, or print the supplemental forms that you may be required to submit to fully complete your application. If you have questions on any of the supplemental forms, reach out to the Stipend Program administrators. If you need a W-9, click on Support and type in W-9 for links to the IRS forms. Once you have gathered your documents and supplemental forms, you can move on to Step 3. Upload your required documents by clicking on My Documents from the Stipend page, or go to My Tools and Settings, then click on My Documents. Select the file type for the document you're uploading, then choose which file or document you will upload. Read the Stipend Program instructions, as there may be instruction on what the Stipend administrators may want in the file description box. Example of documents you may be asked to upload include your W-9, transcripts, training certificates, or supplemental documents. To see the How to Upload Documents video, click here to watch or check out the link on the video description. The Stipend administrators will review your application and the uploaded documents. Note that your documents do not necessarily need to be verified on the registry for your stipend application to be processed. Please check your email for notifications about your stipend application, uploaded documents, or pending information needed by the Stipend Program administrator. You may edit your stipend application while it's in applied status. To view your stipend application, go to Stipend and Pathways. Select My Stipends. Then click on View. This feature includes your ability to see the date your employer confirmed your employment, your stipend application request status, and what required documents are still pending. For stipend-related questions, including information about your eligibility, pathways, supplemental forms, please contact your stipend administrator. For support in creating a registry account, logging in, how to update your profile information, or upload documents, please contact the registry support team or click on the Support to chat. Thank you for being part of a community of over 100,000 early learning and care professionals. The work you do is important, and we are here to help.